Tracking WhatsApp chats on another phone is a sensitive and potentially illegal activity if done without consent. It's important to understand that monitoring someone's private conversations without their permission is a violation of privacy and, in many cases, against the law. In some cases, however, such as a parental control or when managing business accounts, tracking WhatsApp calls might be done legally under certain circumstances. So for legitimate reasons, like ensuring the safety of children, there are various apps and methods that allow you to monitor WhatsApp activity. So one popular method is using third-party monitor applications. These apps can be installed on the target phone, where they can track WhatsApp messages, calls, and other activities. However, these tools often require access to the target phone, and some may need root access on Android devices, which could void warranties or cause other issues. All right. Another way, though more limited, is through WhatsApp's own backup feature. Now, if you have access to the target phone, the target's phone's Google Drive or iCloud account, you could potentially restore the chat history to another phone. However, it only works if backups are enabled and doesn't allow real-time monitoring. Always consider legal and ethical implications before attempting to track or monitor WhatsApp chats. Respecting privacy is crucial.